Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. 텐진얘기 상물로 대우인기대 my 대우 대가이 아니 드림 군지 총괄님 몰라 상물로 다시 델레 장미유다. And I hope everyone's enjoying this day. 가가도 있나더라. 나도 게임을 파티도 시작해요. And yeah, I'm missing those days back home. Like I already party to football match to it's kind of happening, you know, like so Calgary last year it was fun, but then this year it's like more fun because I'm with my like aunt, my cousin, sister, my brother, my like aunt's family, and family so I'm super excited and I feel like I'm at home. Now the feeling you're then I know I feel like I'm at home. It's like I love the place. Calgary, you're not. It's more like like I love this kind of place. And yeah, 되게 정말 쉬워라. 드림 아주 제고로 시도라. 홀 거의 미당 하고 해요. So I'll show it in the vlog. And also 드림이 도움이 되는 좀 못한 데서라. So I'm gonna 인지너니 히드시에지 트라이치기 가지는 예지. Some of my subscribers are non-Tibetan, so they don't understand, right? Like I'm not only doing this content for like Tibetan people, right? So that I'm enjoying like this thing in vlogs that I love doing that. I love being on camera, to be honest. I love being captured kind of thing, you know. If I'm trying to convey some message or content to the viewers, I want them to understand, relate, enjoy everything that I'm doing, right? So that's why I'm gonna try to vlog in English as much as I can, though I'm not really good at it, but I'll try my best so that all the people who is watching who are non-Tibetan, who does not understand Tibetan language, they'll also enjoy this vlog. And also I'm gonna wear my chupa hunchu. This is my traditional Tibetan hunchu. We say hunchu, but it's like shirt or what do you say? Shirt? Not shirt. I would say yeah, shirt. Like it's traditional hunchu, pesu hunchu. Okay. And I have like a big ass chupa. It's very heavy, and I don't know how to wear this chupa because this is like kind of different from the one that we usually wear, right? So my sister's gonna help me wear this one, and we are heading to a hall where they will celebrate His Holiness 89th birthday today. And I heard like we have some activity, some dinner, dance, party, concert, everything all together today, and I'm super excited. So in 1, 2, 3, I'll get changed in my traditional dress. 1, 2, 3, let's go. 샀어. 레드 시세이.
Kadirashi drome killer kunezo tisa nilam nalangani lakba junido pechi 생유 멜레랑ani tumido the katsu madula ne simti dula show mone show kusingi temo lungtama keso shinaki medon yumsenchi keso pomoki tungdi nala bungai bego ta bolata mola chacha misenyam bugego machi
Next number 77, 31, 46, number 2,
퀴발들은 빨라 저거야. 아버지 쳤어. 아버지 아버지. 클라우스 짰어. 근데 아니 근데 안에서 라이트 보여줘. 대마 시갑 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 시갑.
Again, एक लोग कूलर second thing है सब क्या बजाएं सब 너무 뒤집에 아니 내가 때는 맞지가
진짜도 나 오늘
뭔가 이해가 이게 지금
좋아 좋아요 님도
언니 상무하게 찍어 싫어나
Number 10, number 10, number 10, number 10, number 10, number 10. Number 2 是个嘛？Number 2， number 2。哦，谢。
Bicara price पे मंगू ये रोड, mountain bike, अनि दा flat TV, अनि barbecue, कभी मंगू ये रोड, अनि जिस कली
배마, 하지? 누구 링크해 주시랑?
오케이, 근데 지금 사람들 나가 나서 제일 머리 아픕니다. 그게 승인은.
야파가. Cake is not visible. Let's go.
Shine,